Hello students and welcome to the video class of the chapter 3 dimensional coordinate geometry. It is second class of the topic plane. Before studying or before discussing, mental peace is highly essential. So let's do Brahmanads. Shanti, Shanti. Dear students, in last class we discussed equation of plane, that is single point form, okay, and some its vector equation, Cartesian equation, and some problems. Today we are going to discuss equation of plane in 3-point form, both Cartesian form and vector form, and then condition for coplanar, okay, condition for coplanar. Now let's discuss about equation of plane in 3-point form. Equation of plane, equation of plane in 3 points form. Equation of plane in 3-point form. Equation of plane passing through, this is Cartesian form, Cartesian equation. Equation of plane passing through the points, non-collinear points, passing through non-collinear points, x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2, x2, y2, z2, and x3, y3, z3, x3, y3, z3 is given by determinant of x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, x3 minus x1, y3 minus y1, z3 minus z1 is equal to 0. This is the equation of plane passing through 3 points. Proof. Suppose this is plane, here 3 points, here x1, y1, z1, this is point A suppose, and this is point B, x2, y2 and z2, and this is point C suppose. So this is x3, y3 and z3, and this is the normal, this is the normal to the plane, whose radius are A, B, C. Let A, B, C are radius of normal to the plane, Now equation of ends, A of x1, y1, z1, B of x2, y2, z2, and C of x3, y3, z3 are 3 points on the plane, 3 points on the plane. Okay, so एक क्वेश्चन ऑफ plane passing through x1, y1, z1 is a into x minus x1 is what? A into x minus x1, a into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1 is equal to 0. This is equation 1. Suppose it passes through the point x2, y2, z2 and x3, y3, z3. It passes through the point x2, y2, z2 and x3, y3, z3. These points satisfy equation 1. This point will satisfy equation 1. So these points will satisfy to equation 1. That implies what? A into x2 minus x1 plus b into y2 minus y1 plus c into z2 minus z1 is equal to 0. This is equation 2. And a into x3 minus x1 plus b into y3 minus y1 plus c into z3 minus z1 is equal to 0. Equation 3. Eliminate a, b, c from equation 1, 2 and 3. Eliminate a comma b comma c from equation 1, 2 and 3. We get determinant of x2, x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, x3 minus x1, y3 minus y1, z3 minus z1 is equal to 0. By applying this formula, we can find the equation of plane passing through 3 points in Cartesian form. Now one example related to this concept. Question, find the equation of plane passing through the points 1, minus 1, 0, 2, 1, 3 and minus 2, 0, 5. This is the question. Solution. Given points on the plane are 1, minus 1, 0. This is x1, y1, z1. 2, 1, 3. this is x2, y2, z2, and -2, 0, 5. This is what? This is x3, y3 and z3. Now equation of plane passing through 3 points. Equation of plane in 3-point form. In 3-point form is determinant of x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1. x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, x3 minus x1, y3 minus y1, z3 minus z1 is equal to 0. Putting the values of x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3 and z1, z2, z3 and simplify. That is what? X minus x1, that implies x minus 1, y minus what? Y minus, that is y plus 1, and z minus 0, z minus 0, that is x2 minus x1, 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 1 minus of minus, so 1 plus 1, z minus z1, that is 3 minus 0. Then x3 minus x1, minus 2 minus 1, minus 2 minus 1, y3 minus y1, 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1, z3 minus z, 5 minus 0, which is equal, this is equal to 0. So this is what? X minus 1, y plus 1, z 1, 2, 3, minus 3, 1, 5 is equal to 0, is equal to 0. Now expand this. X minus 1 into what? X minus 1 into 10 minus 3 minus y plus 1 into, cover this, 5 plus 9, 5 plus 9. First x minus 1 into 10, that is 10 minus 3. Second y plus 1, 5 plus 9, and z into what? Cover this, 1 plus 6. 1 plus 6 is equal to 0. So this is x minus 7x, 10 minus 3, that is 7. X minus 1 into 7. Y plus 1 into what? 14. Z into what? 7 is equal to 0. So this is 7x minus 7 minus 14y minus 14 plus 7z is equal to 0. 7z is equal to 0. Now 7x minus 14y plus 7z, and this is what? Minus 21. Minus 21 is equal to 0. This is Cartesian equation of the, and this is answer. Now condition for coplanar, Cartesian form. Condition for coplanar of 3 points, Cartesian form. Condition for coplanarity of 4 points. Condition for coplanarity of 4 points. Condition for coplanarity of 4 points. Let x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2, x3, y3, z3 and x4, y4, z4 are 4 points. 4 points. The 4 points, the above 4 points are coplanar if x4th, y4th, z4th will satisfy the equation of plane passing through the points x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2 and x3, y3, z3. That is, if x4th, y4th, z4th will satisfy the equation x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, x3 minus x1, y3 minus y1, z3 minus z1 is equal to 0. So put the value of x4th, y4th, z4th in place of x, y, z. That implies the condition for coplanarity is what? Put x is equal to x4th minus x1, y4th minus y1, z4 minus z1, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, x3 minus x1, y3 minus y1, z3 minus z1 is equal to 0. This is the condition for the coplanarity of 4 points. Now, one example. Verify whether the 4 points are coplanar or not. This is suppose x1 solution, given points 1, 2, 3, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 1, 3 and 1, 1, 2. This is x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2, x3, y3, z3, x4, y4, z4. Now verify by the condition for coplanar. Verify for condition for coplanar of 4 points. We can do in two method. Find equation of plane passing through this point, passing through 3 points, and use the rest point in the equation of plane. This is one method. Or you can direct apply the condition for coplanar. That is what? X fourth minus x1, y fourth minus y1, z fourth minus z1, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, x3 minus x1, y3 minus y1, z3 minus z1 is equal. This should be what? This should be 0. This should be 0 to be verified. So now x fourth minus x1, 1 minus 1, y fourth minus y1, 1 minus 2, z4 minus z1, 2 minus 3. Then x2 minus x1, minus 1 minus 1, y2 minus y1, 0 minus 2, z2 minus z1, 1 minus 3, then x3 minus x1, 2 minus 1, y3 minus y1, 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2, z3 minus z1, 3 minus 3. This is equal to what? Now this is what? 0 minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 and 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0. Now expand this. Now expand this. 0 into n number 0, so 0 minus of minus 1 into what? 0 plus 2. This is what? 0 plus 2. 2 into minus 2 into 0 0 and 1 into minus 2 minus 2, and this is 0 plus 2. Minus plus minus 1 into what? Cover this. 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2. So this is what? Plus 1. This is what? 2. So this is 2. And this is what? 2 to 4 and minus 4, which is equal to minus 2. Not is equal to 0. Okay. Not equal to 0. Since these points do not satisfy the condition for coplanar, that is minus 2, which is not equal to 0, therefore the points are what? Not coplanar. Therefore the given 4 points are not coplanar. Not coplanar. If the answer will be 0, then 4 points are what? Coplanar. Now vector equation of the plane passing vector equation of the plane in 3-point form. Equation of plane passing through 3 points in vector form. Equation of plane passing through 3 points whose position vectors are A, B and C. This is vector equation. Okay, vector form. of equation of plane in equation of plane passing through 3 points. Passing through 3 points. Passing through 3 points. Okay, equation of plane passing through 3 points whose position vectors are a vector, b vector, c vector. Suppose this is plane, and the point A here, and the point B here, and the point C here. Okay, so this is what? This is reference point O, whose position vector of OA means A vector, position vector of OB, that is B vector, and position vector of C, that is C vector. This is point C, that is C vector. Okay, so the direction of the B cross C, that is here, let P be any point. Let P be any point whose position vector is what? Whose position vector is what? R vector. Let P be any point whose position vector is R vector. This is R vector. Now let A, B, C be 3 points on the plane whose position vector PBS, PBS means position vectors are A vector, B vector, and C vector respectively. Okay, then here B cross C is this is vector A vector, and this is B vector, and this is C vector, and this is what? This is R vector. So B cross C is perpendicular to the plane containing what? B cross C is perpendicular, that is OB cross OC. Then this is what? AB, this is AB vector. This is what? SC vector, and this is what? AP vector. This is AP vector. This point is suppose R, AP vector. So this is AB, this is SC. AB cross SC is perpendicular to the plane containing what? AB cross SC is perpendicular to the plane containing AB and SC. Since AP is also lies on that plane, so AB is also perpendicular to, that implies AP is perpendicular to what? AB cross SC. That implies what? That implies AP vector dot AB vector cross SC vector is equal to 0. What is AP vector? AP vector means what? R vector minus A vector. R vector minus A vector dot, what is AB vector? B vector minus A vector cross C vector minus A vector, okay, is equal to 0. This is vector equation of the plane. This is vector equation of the plane. Now notes this is scalar triple product. Scalar triple product of three vectors. Suppose ABC are three vectors. Let A, B, C are three vectors. Then scalar triple product is denoted by A dot B cross C. It is written as, it is denoted by square bracket A vector, B vector, C vector. Square bracket A vector, B vector, C vector. Now condition for 4 points are coplanar. Okay, condition for coplanar condition, if scalar triple product of A, B, C is equal to 0, then A, B, C are coplanar. Condition for three vectors are coplanar. This is condition for coplanar. Scalar triple product ABC scalar triple product, that is what, A cross B cross C is equal to 0, then three vectors are coplanar. How to prove 4 points are coplanar? A, B, C, D are 4 vectors, and how to prove 4 points are coplanar? Find position vector of AB, position vector of AC, position vector of AD. If AB, AC, AD scalar triple 0, then it is what, 4 points are coplanar. Calculation of scalar triple product ABC, that is what, A dot B cross C. Suppose let vector A is equal to A1i, A2j, A3k, vector B is equal to B1i, B2j, B3k, vector C is equal to C1i, C2j, C3k, then scalar triple product ABC is what, A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. Okay, then vector method for verify 4 points are coplanar. Vector method for coplanarity. Let A, B, C, D are 4 points. Then to verify for coplanarity, verify that scalar triple product of AB, AC, AD 0. This is the vector method of coplanet of 4 points. Okay. Now, intercept form of the equation of plane. Now, intercept form of equation of plane. Intercept form of equation of plane. Suppose this is the coordinate system and this is origin x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. Z-axis is like this. So, suppose the plane cuts x-axis this portion and y-axis this portion and z-axis this portion. Okay. If suppose plane cuts like this. Suppose cuts x-axis at the distance a and y-axis at the distance b and z-axis at the distance c. Now equation of this plane is what? X by a plus y by b plus z by c is equal to 1. Let a, b, c be the x-intercept, comma y-intercept, and z-intercept of the plane with coordinate axis of the plane, then equation of plane is x by a plus y by b plus z by c is equal to 1. This is equation of plane. Okay. Now proof is what? Proof. Since the plane cuts the x-axis at this point here, y coordinate 0, suppose this point is what? A. So a 0 0, y z 0 here. And this is b and this is b. So here x 0, y this is b and this is 0 and this is point C. On z axis x coordinate 0, y coordinate 0. So 0 0 C. Given x-intercept is equal to A. That implies the plane cuts x-axis at A 0 0. Given x-intercept equal to A and y-intercept is equal to what? Y-intercept is equal to B and z-intercept is equal to what? And z-intercept is equal to C. That implies the plane cuts x-axis at A 0 0, y-axis at 0 B 0 and z-axis at what? 0 0 C. 0 0 C. So equation of plane passing through 3 points is what? Equation of plane passing through the above 3 points. Above 3 points is x minus, this is x1, x minus a, y minus 0, this is y1, z minus z1 means 0. Then x2 minus x1, 0 minus a, b minus 0 and 0 minus 0. Then 0 minus a, 0 minus 0, c minus 0 is equal to 0. Now simplify this. This is which is equal to x minus a into or x minus, just simplify. This is what? X minus, this is what? X minus a yz minus a b 0 and minus a 0 c. Okay, so this is equal to 0. Expanding this, that is x minus a into what? Got to cancel this bc minus y into, cancel this minus sc plus z into, cancel this minus plus ab is equal to 0. Y into minus y into what? Minus sc, correct. So multiply this, that is what? X bc minus abc plus y sc plus z ab is equal to 0. So take abc to right side, that is x bc y sc z ab is equal to abc. So divide both sides by abc. 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 So this is what? X by a plus y by b plus z by c is equal to 1. This is the required proof of intercept form. Correct? Now, some questions related to this form. One question, find the equation of plane passing through the foot of the perpendicular drawn from the point P of ABC on the coordinate planes. Suppose this is the coordinate system and the point P is in space, suppose ABC, or this is foot of the perpendicular on what? Find the coordinate find the equation of plane passing through the foot of the perpendicular drawn from the point ABC on the coordinate planes. So this is xy plane, z coordinate 0, this is perpendicular. Suppose this point is what? xy plane, z coordinate 0, so this is a b 0, and this is yz plane and this is yz plane. So x coordinate is 0 0 comma b comma c, and this is xz plane, this is xz plane, and this foot of the perpendicular is what? The foot of the perpendicular xz means y0 a0 c. Okay, and the plane is passing through this point. The plane is passing through this point. The plane is covered like this. Okay, let's given point here, solution, given point P of ABC, foot of the perpendicular drawn from P on xy plane is AB0, on YZ plane is 0BC, on XZ plane is A0C. Now equation of plane passing through these points. Now equation of plane. Now equation of plane passing through equation of plane passing through the foot of the perpendicular, the foot of the feet of the perpendiculars, feet of the perpendiculars drawn from P is, this is x1 y1 z1, so x minus a y minus b z minus 0 and 0 minus a b minus what, b minus b c minus 0, a minus a 0 minus b and c minus 0 is equal to 0 and c minus 0 equal to 0. First x minus a y minus b z minus 0, second 0 minus a b minus b c minus 0, correct. So this is what, x minus a y minus b z minus a 0 c 0 minus b c is equal to 0. Expand this, x minus a into, like, cross this plus bc minus of y minus b cross this minus ac plus z into what, ab is equal to 0, Now that implies what, xbc minus abc minus plus yesc and minus plus again minus plus again minus abc plus zab is equal to 0. Now that implies xbc yesc zab is equal to minus abc, that is minus 2abc, here 2abc. So divide by abc, divide both sides by abc. So xbc by abc, so x by a plus y by b plus z by c is equal to 2. This is answer. Clear? These are some concepts regarding to this equation of plane. In next class we will discuss some more properties, more concepts. So thank you, have a nice day.